Hey guys, good morning. Here's our pak choy or pechay in our local dialect. They are on its 11th day. See, you can see they're already big. And let's check if they build up some roots. Oh, they have already built up some roots. There you go. They grow very fast, as you can see. They're building up leaves right now. So approximately after 15 days we can harvest this already. We can start harvesting. So also in our cracking method, in just a styro box hydroponics, see, they grow already. As you can see now, the leaves are getting bigger. If you notice that they're all not in uniform heights or shape, just because when they are in the seedling, when I transfer them here in the box, they are also not the same. That's why some of them are already get bigger and some of them still small, because they are also not the same during transfer. Let's check here. Also here is same one. This one didn't survive. It's okay, but 90% of them has survived their lives. And also we got here, see, as you can see, they're also getting bigger. God, they all survived here in this box, and soon you're gonna expect some good harvest. So this is how hydroponics, so easy and yet very fast harvest, and you expect a very fast return on investment. So there's no reason to not to try this at your own backyard or rooftops, wherever you may be. You can try it for yourself, so you will know how hydroponic works. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna harvest this one. This is Chinese kangkong, or in English dialect it was called water spinach. So you can see, this is my third time to harvest this Chinese kangkong, but you can see it still grows and regenerate very quick and easy. That's what I love with this Chinese kangkong. I think you can harvest forever with this one, because after you harvest, just trim and it will regenerate very fast. So just to let you know, this is my third time to harvest this Chinese kangkong. So now I will harvest again, and I'm gonna use this one to my this I'm gonna prepare today. It's called sinigang na ulo ng kingfish head soup. I'm gonna mix this one, Chinese kangkong. So let's go, let's harvest this thing. From our farm straight right up to our kitchen. Let's start to trim this, cut into pieces. One of the good thing about growing Chinese kangkong in hydroponic system that is you can eat most of the parts of this Chinese kangkong, unlike the kangkong planted on the soil. Some of the parts of stem or leaves is damaged with insects and other elements. So hydroponic kangkong is 90% edible, the leaves and the stem. Very delicious part of this spinach, water spinach, is the stem, and very healthy. So let's speed this up, cutting into pieces, and we're gonna use this to our dish. As I told you, the kingfish head soup, or sinigang na ulo ng kingfish. Or there you go, we are almost done. And let's rinse this up just to remove any dust, but you all know that it was inside the greenhouse. So this is our fish head. Let's wash this also, rinse. And now we're gonna prepare our 3 ingredients: these onions, tomatoes, and ginger. We're gonna prepare this one, slice them. This is a very quick and easy dish, guys, so you can do this at your house. This is very good during rainy season. to warm up on, because this is a very nice soup, perfect partner with the white rice. And I used only 2 tomato, and we are ready. So this is our big pot. I'm using a hot water. For me it is easy to boil up the already hot water than the normal water. So have you noticed why I'm using this electric stove instead of my gas stove over there? That's because my LPG tank is empty. So let's load this up, the ginger, tomato, and onions. Just that easy, just pour it all inside, and let's boil this up. Just add more hot water. Then now I'm gonna add the fish head. I already pre-seasoned this fish head with salt and pepper. Now I'm gonna put all here inside. As I told you, this is very quick and easy dish. And then I put the tamarind powder, because I don't want to have fresh tamarind. Let's stir this up and season again with salt and pepper. There you go. Stir it once again and let it boil. I changed my portable gas stove to make it more fast boiling. There you go. As you can see, it's boiling now. And now this is ready. I'm gonna put now my water spinach, or Chinese kangkong in Filipino dialect. Then we are almost done. And there you have it, guys, our sinigang na ulo ng kingfish, or kingfish head soup. It's very steamy and hot and spicy, good for rainy days. So if you like this video, guys, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and comment down below what can you say about our video today, or if you have any question, don't be shy to leave a comment down there. And to all the newcomers who just visited our channel, don't forget to subscribe if you like our video. So see you again soon, guys, and stay safe, stay warm, and God bless you all. See you again on the next one.